Nice hotel, very clean and cozy. Convenience at your fingertips. CHIQUILLA's top-notch facilities. At CHIQUILLA, we understand the importance of convenience during your stay. That's why we offer a range of top-notch facilities to ensure your comfort and satisfaction. Our laundry service and dry cleaning options allow you to keep your clothes fresh and clean throughout your stay, while our luggage storage service ensures that your belongings are safe and secure. For those who prefer to dine in the comfort of their own room, our room service is available to cater to your every culinary desire. Our friendly concierge is also on hand to assist you with any queries or requests you may have, ensuring that your stay is hassle-free. In addition, we provide a designated smoking area for our smoking guests, ensuring their comfort while maintaining a smoke-free environment for non-smokers. And with free Wi-Fi available in all rooms, you can stay connected and keep up with your online activities effortlessly. To top it off, our convenience store offers a wide range of essentials and snacks, making it easy for you to grab any last-minute items you may need. At CHIQUILLA, we prioritize your convenience and strive to make your stay as comfortable and enjoyable as possible. Convenient transport facilities at CHIQUILLA. At CHIQUILLA, we understand the importance of hassle-free travel, and that's why we offer a range of transport facilities to make your stay in Dalat as convenient as possible. Our airport transfer service ensures a seamless journey from the moment you arrive in Vietnam. Our friendly and professional staff will be waiting to greet you at the airport and transport you directly to our hotel, allowing you to relax and enjoy the stunning scenery along the way. In addition to airport transfers, we also provide tours to help you explore the beautiful city of Dalat. Whether you want to visit the famous landmarks, experience the local culture, or enjoy outdoor activities, our knowledgeable guides will ensure you have an unforgettable experience. Furthermore, our taxi service is available 24/7, making it easy for you to get around the city at your convenience. If you're looking to explore beyond Dalat, our ticket service can assist you in booking transportation to other popular destinations in Vietnam. Whether you're planning to visit the bustling streets of Ho Chi Minh City or the picturesque landscapes of Nha Trang, we can help you secure your tickets and make your travel arrangements hassle-free.